5:38 in national news. A court hearing continues over evidence in the case against Luigi Mangione, the man accused of murdering healthcare CEO Brian Thompson.
Yeah, prosecutors released new images of what they say was found when Mangione was arrested after a multi-day manhunt exactly 1 year ago today. Bradley Blackburn has the latest.
Luigi Mangione was back in a New York City courtroom Monday as attorneys argued over whether evidence can be used in his upcoming murder trial. He's accused of shooting United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson on a Manhattan sidewalk last December. It was 1 year ago that Mangione was arrested in a Pennsylvania McDonald's after a multi-day manhunt when people recognized him and called 911.
I have a customer here that some other customers were suspicious of, that he looked like the CEO shooter.
For the first time, prosecutors are releasing images of what they say was found with Mangione during the arrest, including a 3D printed gun, silencer, bullets, and pages from a notebook that appear to show plans for a getaway and ways to stay undetected. In court, a police officer testified that they searched Mangione's belongings only after he was under arrest and wanted to make sure he didn't have a bomb. But Mangione's attorneys argue police should have had a search warrant and say he wasn't read his Miranda rights before he was questioned. They want the evidence excluded from the state trial.
If the police officers legitimately and in good faith believe that there's a substantial risk to themselves or the general public, they have every right, every constitutional right to go into that backpack and conduct a warrantless search.
During the confrontation, officers can be heard on tape discussing whether or not they need a search warrant to look through the items. Mangione has pleaded not guilty to all charges. He is also facing federal charges where prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.